today is the 25th of June 2017. I really should start mentioning dates before I start the vlogs. So tomorrow is 26th. It's my birthday, but it's a Monday, so my parents are sort of busy with their work, and hence they brought me out today, and I'm very excited. We've been in the city for a nice long drive after so many months, and we're off to where I was born, sort of in that area, and we're gonna eat there, spend some time there, and I'll show you guys around. That is my dad's school. We started there in 7th standard. So we are at Shivaji Park, and this is where I was born. And this beautiful place is where my entire family has eaten. Even before my father was born, my granny used to eat bhel here for 25 paise, and yeah, he is our favorite bhel. Every time we pass around here, we always come here. Mom is having some medium shev puri, dad will be having the same, and I want to have bhel first. The taste was so different from other vendors, other bhel puri vendors, that I genuinely can understand why my family always loved this place. And I'm so happy the rains have started right before my birthday, because I love rains, and now they've like properly started. So that's amazing. And now we're probably off to Worli Seaface. And this is where my father did his high school, sort of from 8 to 12, and so near this area. Mom says when I was a kid, I have just spent all my weekends here in a pram, because this was very close to where we lived. Look at the sea, it feels so nice. The waves are literally coming out. Hey! Whoa. So I do know that the water is quite dirty and it's muddy, but that's because the sewage goes into this. So all we can do is appreciate what we have. That's it. Whoa. Ocean of waves is so magical. This was like the best birthday gift. I am so happy to be here, and I am so glad to have all of this on video. Like, this vlog will have so many memories where I was born, where I have sort of grown up, and where my father has studied. So my mom is actually partially from Gujarat and partially from here. So her brought up has been in her childhood sort of has been in Ghatkopar. So basically she's the only one who left out exploring childhood places, but it's okay. It's still fun to, have at least two people's memories in this one video. This is our little street, and that right there is the sea, and this is the building where this is my first home after I was born. This is where I came. We had a little flat on the first floor, and during the floods, water used to come out of there, and it used to fill our building, and everyone living on the ground floor would shift to the first floor. It was so nice. Oh my god. I mean, see, I don't remember all of this obviously, because I was just like 3 when we moved from here, 3 or 2 maybe. So my family has told me all of this, but of course I still remember all of this. This is amazing. My camera is wet, but we still vlog. My granny used to love to come here because she loves the sea, loves it. So she used to come here very often, and everyone here still recognizes us. My parents are talking to some old friends right there. I mean, I don't remember them quite well because I was, as I told you, quite tiny, but still it's so nice to come back, and I'm so glad that I can share this with all of you. That's my house, my first house. This little flat with pots on the windowsill was our flat, and I sit in the windows, and we could see the sea right from a window. How amazing was this area? I so wish we still stayed here. Let's go explore the beach for a while. I miss Daddy so much. I cannot even tell you. She loved this place, loved it. So close to the sea. Look at the sky, just look at it. This is where I was born. Gupta Maternity and Surgical Home. We tried meeting the doctor who helped me get into this world practically and literally. So he's out of town. It's alright. It's already too nice. so I won't mind that. But this is so, I'm enjoying this day a lot. Come to the parlor, I actually did not intend to because I thought it's just one day and I don't have that much of hair growth, but I have extra time today, so I came and to meet her. That's Rucha, and I got my first proper waxing done from her, and since that day I haven't got it done from anyone else. I was just telling her the other day that please don't shift from here, and if you do, tell me so that I can come to where you shift. I've got a little disposable tutu dress they give, but it's quite sheer. I really want to show all of you guys the dress because I like it so much, but it's very sheer. This is my outfit for today. I went all black and I like it so much. I get a model like feel, all simple and monochrome, and yeah, top is from Zara, camis from M&S, jeans are from Noisy May, shoes are from New Look, and yeah, I also was carrying my trusty grey backpack. Guys, birthdays are like the best thing ever because it feels like people are celebrating your existence while you're here. Because when people wish you and they care that okay, today is the day you came into the world, it feels nice. And death anniversaries are sort of the same, but it's just that people are unhappy that you no longer exist. So I quite like birthdays and I'm loving mine so far, even though it hasn't started. Similar lines, let's talk about my world record. I mean, I don't think it's a world record, but for me it's a huge thing. I have never spent more than almost half an hour in the parlor. All I get done is waxing and sorry for the weird lighting, I'm just drawing the curtains open. Waxing and my eyebrows, that's it. I never get anything else done, and I'm so proud of myself for that because I get so bored. I don't even like going to the parlor that often. I hardly go once a month. So yeah, that's what we did today. That once in a month thing happened today. Now we'll film a main channel video. This is completely coincidental, but I've also come to my school. You will not be able to read it up there, but it's actually Dr. Radhakrishnan Vidyalaya for me. It's now become an international school. Gosh, I'll try to give you a little peek. That's the little building. This is my school. So much soda here and pani puri here because it's right opposite to my school. Guys, so it's 11:09 p.m. I am all changed and I'm wearing not a very night dressy outfit, it's actually a very new t-shirt. That's because my mom asked me to do so. She said that we might be expecting some people, so I've changed into actually a new t-shirt and my regular black track pants. You've seen them. So yeah, it was my target that I want to have a properly organized room, properly organized in every single compartment before my birthday, and only one drawer is left. This one. Rest everything is organized, so I'm very happy about it, and I just have like 15 minutes to do my nails if I get the time, but cleaning comes first. So yes, I am so excited. The 26th of June is my birthday today. Happy birthday to me. My friends did come, but 2 out of the 3 do not want to be on camera. So I guess I'll just vlog by myself. They bought me a pizza for a cake, which is the best thing in the world, but they still bought some chocolate syrup too. So yeah, I'm so happy. You can't see me faintly and you can't see my friends. No, you can see her, it's okay. We're gonna watch a horror movie in complete blackout. It's the best night. And yeah, that's pretty much what we did after eating pizza. After the movie, we basically went on a small drive, me and one of my friends, and then Krishna and I were supposed to go to the terrace to just sit and talk, but then Chottu sat, and then she slept. So then even I slept, and now my school friends have come and they did something I only imagined people could do, but they actually like emptied. Yeah, I want to put them in the vlog. So they just emptied like half a glass of water, which I thought was an entire bottle. And yeah, now I want all of you to meet them. That is Nikunj, this is Shreya, this is Somil, that is Nishi, and this is Sham the Beast.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Haley.
Haley.
मेरे को दिख रहा है ऐसा हेली तेरे वजह से पागल हो गया
Happy birthday, dear
पापा
Haley. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
पापा